Rhinestone body jewelry can transform any outfit from basic to breathtaking, but knowing how to wear and style it can feel intimidating. In this complete guide, I'm showing you everything you need to know about rhinestone and crystal accessories, from face jewelry to body chains, and exactly how to style them for maximum impact. Let's start with the basics. What is rhinestone body jewelry? Rhinestone body jewelry includes any decorative accessories featuring crystals, rhinestones, or gems that you wear on your face, body, or hands. This includes crystal face chains and masks, rhinestone gloves and hand jewelry, body chains that drape across your torso, rhinestone headpieces and halos, and decorative pasties and nipple covers. These pieces catch the light, add sparkle, and create stunning visual effects whether you're performing, attending a festival, or creating content. Face jewelry is one of the most dramatic and photogenic options. Crystal face chain masks drape across your face, creating an ethereal, mysterious look. They're perfect for festivals, raves, photo shoots, and performances. Tassel face jewelry adds movement and catches light beautifully as you move. Rhinestone balaclavas and face masks offer full coverage sparkle with an edgy, futuristic aesthetic. And forehead chains and temple jewelry add subtle elegance without covering your entire face. How to wear face jewelry properly matters. Start with a clean, moisturized face so the adhesive or chains sit smoothly. If your piece uses adhesive gems, apply them one at a time and press firmly for at least 10 seconds each. For chain-style face jewelry, adjust the fit before securing it behind your ears or in your hair. Keep your makeup simple and let the jewelry be the star. Bold lips or dramatic eyes can compete with face jewelry, so choose one focal point. And always do a test run before your event to ensure everything stays in place and feels comfortable. Let's talk about rhinestone gloves and hand jewelry. Rhinestone gloves add instant drama to any outfit. They're perfect for dancing, performing, or making hand gestures that catch the light. Fingerless rhinestone gloves give you sparkle while maintaining dexterity for your phone or drinks. Full finger crystal gloves create maximum impact and are stunning for performances. And hand chains and finger jewelry offer a more delicate, layered look that's perfect for everyday festival wear. Styling rhinestone gloves is simple but effective. Pair them with sleeveless or short-sleeved tops so the gloves are fully visible. Use hand movements intentionally. If you're dancing or performing, your hands become part of the show. Coordinate with your outfit. Match the crystal color to your bodysuit or accessories for a cohesive look. And don't over-accessorize your arms. Let the gloves be the statement piece on your hands and wrists. Body chains and torso jewelry create stunning dimension. Body chains drape across your torso, back, or waist, adding sparkle to exposed skin. Waist chains and belly chains cinch your waist and add movement with every step. Back chains create a dramatic effect from behind, perfect for backless tops or open back bodysuits. And shoulder and arm chains add elegance and work beautifully with strapless or one-shoulder outfits. How to wear body chains correctly is important. Measure and adjust before wearing. Body chains should sit comfortably without digging into your skin. Layer over simple bases. Body chains look best over solid-colored bodysuits, bralettes, or bare skin. Secure properly. Use the clasps and adjusters to ensure the chain won't shift or fall during movement. And consider your outfit's neckline and back. Choose chains that complement the cut of your clothing. Rhinestone headpieces and halos add festival royalty vibes. Crystal halos and crowns sit on top of your head, creating an angelic or regal aesthetic. Spiked headpieces add edge and drama, perfect for bold, statement looks. Floral crystal headbands combine elegance with sparkle for a softer, romantic vibe. And temple chains and hair jewelry weave through your hairstyle, adding subtle sparkle. Styling headpieces for maximum impact requires strategy. Choose hairstyles that showcase the piece. Sleek buns, high ponytails, or loose waves work beautifully with headpieces. Secure properly with bobby pins or adjustable bands to prevent slipping. Balance your look. If you're wearing a large headpiece, keep other accessories minimal and photograph from multiple angles. Headpieces look stunning from the front, side, and back. Rhinestone pasties and nipple covers are both functional and fashionable. They provide coverage while adding serious sparkle. Crystal pasties come in various shapes: stars, hearts, flowers, and geometric designs. Tassel nipple covers add movement and a burlesque-inspired aesthetic. Adhesive rhinestone designs let you create custom patterns on your chest or body. And reusable silicone-backed options are comfortable and can be worn multiple times. How to apply and wear pasties safely is crucial. Clean and dry your skin thoroughly before application. Apply adhesive pasties carefully, pressing firmly for at least 10 seconds each. Test the adhesive beforehand if you have sensitive skin. Bring backup adhesive or fashion tape for long events. And remove gently using oil or adhesive remover to protect your skin. Let's discuss color and style coordination. Matching metals to your outfit creates cohesion. Silver and clear crystals work with cool-toned outfits like blues, purples, and blacks. Gold and champagne rhinestones complement warm tones like reds, oranges, and golds. Mixing metals intentionally can create an eclectic, high-fashion look if done thoughtfully. And rainbow or iridescent crystals work with any color palette and add a playful, magical vibe. Occasion-based styling helps you choose the right pieces. For festivals and raves, go bold with face masks, body chains, and rhinestone gloves for maximum impact. For performances and stage wear, choose pieces that catch stage lights, like crystal headpieces and full-coverage rhinestone accessories. For photoshoots and content creation, layer multiple pieces for editorial looks and experiment with angles and lighting. And for club nights and parties, keep it subtle with hand jewelry, small face chains, or a statement headpiece. Care and maintenance will extend the life of your rhinestone jewelry. Store pieces flat or hanging to prevent tangling and damage. Clean gently with a soft cloth after each use to remove oils and makeup. Avoid water and harsh chemicals that can damage adhesives or tarnish metals. Check for loose rhinestones before wearing and repair with jewelry glue if needed. And keep pieces in protective pouches or boxes when traveling. Common mistakes to avoid include over-accessorizing. Choose 1 or 2 statement rhinestone pieces per outfit rather than wearing everything at once. Ignoring comfort is another mistake. If a piece pinches, rubs, or feels unstable, adjust it or choose a different style. Skipping the test run can lead to disasters. Always wear your jewelry at home first to ensure it stays in place and feels comfortable. And forgetting about lighting matters. Rhinestones look best under stage lights, sunlight, or flash photography, so plan accordingly. Here's your styling action plan. Choose your statement piece: face jewelry, gloves, body chains, or headpiece. Select complementary accessories that enhance without overwhelming. Coordinate colors and metals with your outfit. Test the fit and comfort before your event. Plan your hairstyle and makeup to showcase the jewelry, and capture content in good lighting to show off the sparkle. Rhinestone body jewelry isn't just an accessory, it's a statement, a confidence boost, and a way to express your bold, unapologetic style. Wear it with intention and own every sparkle. Ready to add rhinestone magic to your look? Check out our complete collection of crystal face jewelry, rhinestone gloves, body chains, headpieces, and pasties. We have everything you need to shine. Visit the link in the description to shop now.